Colorado's campsites are extremely popular during the annual camping season, especially on weekends, when reservations usually need to be made several months in advance. If you act too late, it will be almost impossible to find a campsite in the national park, except for those first-come, first-served campsites. This video wants to introduce you to a campground in a state park, 11 Mile Reservoir Campground. We have been there many times. The campground has beautiful scenery and is easy to book. It is a highly recommended camping option. The cultural history of 11 Mile State Park likely began about 12,000 years ago. In 1806, President Thomas Jefferson sends Lieutenant Zebulon Pike with 21 men to explore the South Park area. 11 Mile State Park is 2.5 hours drive away from Denver. Therefore, you can also visit 11 Mile during the day without camping. Drive 38 miles west of Colorado Springs on US 24 to 1 mile west of the town of Lake George. Then turn left south on County Road 90 and drive for 6 miles to County Road 92. Continue south on 92 for 5 miles to park. The drive is filled with beautiful, picturesque views. The state park is 7,662 acres. Reservoir itself is 3,405 acres. The campground reside 326 campsites, including Rocky Ridge Campground, North Shore Campground, Stowe Mountain Campground, Cross Creek Campground, Lazy Boy Campground, Rocking Chair Campground, Halbert Point Campground, Witcher's Cove Campground, Backcountry Campground, Boat Ramp, Sucker Cove Fishing Access, and Coyote Ridge Fishing Access. Very popular campgrounds are Rocky Ridge Campground, North Shore Campground. North Shore Campground is in front of the water. The campsite costs $28 per night. Although 11 Mile offers stunning scenery, its campsites aren't typically in high demand. So if you're planning a spontaneous camping trip, there's a good chance you'll find a spot available. You can bring your pets to the campsite, light a bonfire, and watch the stars. There are shower and flush toilets next to the main office open in the summer, and vault toilets open all year round. There's a small number of water fill-up stations and a simple children's playground. Remember to take some coins for shower. At 11 Mile, kayaking is a very enjoyable thing. There is a bird paradise in the center of the reservoir, which adds more fun to boating. In the past, you could rent a kayak at the marina, but this year we went camping and now we can only rent a 20-foot pontoon and a 16-foot Lund fishing boat. The rental fee for pontoon is $399 per 4 hours. The rental fee for Lund is $299 per 4 hours. The reservoir has been an important water storage facility for the city of Denver since the dam was completed in 1932. It is now forbidden for people to go directly into the water to swim or play. 11 Mile's large reservoir is famous among anglers for its outstanding fishing, reeling in a trophy rainbow, brown cutthroat, kokanee, or pike. You might find some birds like horned lark, American peregrine falcon, white pelican, bald eagle. There are many California seagulls here. also find pronghorn antelope, porcupine, badger, black bear, but we never encountered a black bear. The downsides here may be that there's almost no shade in the campground, few drinking water sources, and not many trail options. However, the most attractive thing about 11 Mile is its waters and the interweaving of light and shadows formed by the changing clouds at sunset, which is magnificent. At 11 Mile, the sunset unfolds like an endless canvas of light, a vastness not to be missed.